In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Wise. So if you want to send money from PayPal to Wise, you'll first need to withdraw funds from PayPal to your bank account. You can then transfer money from your bank account to Wise. So first things first is to log into your PayPal account and go to Wallet, click the transfer money and select transfer to your bank. And then after transferring the money from PayPal, you would be able to get the money to your and link to your bank account. So next, you'll need to log into your Wise account, then click add money and enter your transfer amount. You also need to choose which currency you want to use. Select bank transfer and click continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction, and you can also add money to your Wise using a regular bank transfer. So basically, that's it. You would be able to add your PayPal money to your Wise account.